Welcome to my channel, your ultimate travel guide on YouTube. If you're passionate about discovering the world, you've come to the right place. Our channel is all about bringing you the best in travel and tourism. Whether you're looking to explore famous tourist attractions or seek out hidden gems, my channel has you covered. From the streets of iconic cities to untouched natural beauty, our videos offer something for every traveler. Looking for luxury resorts or budget-friendly stays? We've got tips, itineraries, and recommendations to suit any type of travel. Our goal is to make your trips unforgettable, no matter your budget or destination. Discover the world's most beautiful beaches, immerse yourself in diverse cultures, and explore cities that are full of life and history. We also provide expert advice on travel essentials, from what to pack to navigating new places with ease. Whether you're planning a solo journey, a family vacation, or a romantic getaway, my channel offers inspiration and practical tips tailored to every type of traveler. Join us as we uncover top travel destinations, share travel hacks, and offer unforgettable experiences from around the globe. Every video is designed to turn your travel dreams into reality. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel now, and let's embark on this incredible journey together.